Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and if you can't hear me that well, it's because we've got school kids singing right behind us. And first thing where we can't be nothing but feeling a bit more Christmassy than usual. I'm currently working for G-Sauce and Co. Go check them out. Best chili sauce in the Edinburgh and East Lothian district. Seriously, it is gorgeous. He's got a Facebook page, I'll put a link in the description. He's got an Instagram, I'll put a link in the description, okay? Go and buy some. Please, it's listen to them. It's great. It's great, it's really nice. So bring us a fig. Guys, it's Santa Claus. It's Santa Claus. Right, so they've taken Christmas a bit too far this time, right? Excuse the gloves. But I went to B&M last week and I saw, wait for it, I saw a Santa cam. And what it is, it flashes red lights to show your nose, like so they know that Santa Claus is always watching them. Then that's taking it a bit too far, because they've already got a song like saying that he sees you when you're sleeping, and now he literally does. It's currently like 1:30 o'clock, and we're just waiting for the dancers to start dancing. And what I think I'm totally gonna get into one of those like leotard thingies and just start breaking out the moves. Because that's what you do nowadays. It's actually, I mean, my hands are numb. My hands are really fucking cold. Sorry, get this. We had this woman come back to us today and say that she couldn't get this bottle open, like because it's sealed shut, and it literally is sealed shut. We have just tried, my dad with a couple of clamps, trying to get it off. I will give like 10 quid to anybody who wants to come and try this. Not joking, because it is impossible. You're not allowed to use machines, just bare hands. That's the catch. Insane, it's getting so busy. It's great. I'm just there's hopefully bagpipes, more singing, there's going to be the light switch on, and it's just a good night so far. We've sold quite a lot. Oh, chocolate coins, sorry. But I've got to help sit down all these stalls that you see taken down at the end of the market. There's quite a lot of them, so I've got this to keep me going. So I'll see you guys when I get back home.
sauce and co. Go like.
Are you
go-
live?
Not yet. Go buy his chili sauce. It's fucking awesome, isn't it?
I agree with this guy. It absolutely
He
is.
agrees with it.
Honestly, really. Just all you need to do is go to my Facebook page and have a look. G and Son Sauce Company Facebook page. Have a look and see how good it is.
Go,
Thanks,
go
thanks.
do it. I'll put the link in the description below right now.
Eh.